Hi, my name is Angela Rios, and I'm an implementation specialist at MBA. One of the plugins that I help districts implement is our amazing student fees plugin. Today, I want to share my tip to easily and quickly find students who have a credit to their account. In my Power School server, I'm at Franklin High School. Let's say maybe it's the end of the year and we need to close out finances for the school year. And one of the items that you may want to do is refund any student who currently has a credit to their account or money in their wallet. Well, how do I do that? How do I find the students so I can begin the process? This can be found in a matter of seconds with one of our reports. So going to my MBA plugins and selecting on student fees, you will find the fee totals by student report. Selecting this report and filtering by available funds greater than 0. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, I now have my list of students that have a credit to their account or money in their wallet. I can export these results. I can make these students my current selection and begin my next steps, possibly something like sending home a refund check. Well, that's my tip and trick for you. I hope you found it helpful, and thank you for watching.